Live from WFSB, Connecticut's #1 local news, this is Channel 3 Eyewitness News at 7.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nicole Nalepa. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, so let's get right to the latest headlines. We start you off with the coronavirus here in Connecticut. As numbers explode around the country, health experts warn that the next few weeks will be critical. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Suzanne breaks down those record-setting numbers.
The latest numbers here in Connecticut are staggering. According to the governor's office, the positivity rate is now at 6.5%. Even worse, 51 more people died, and 1,200 people are in the hospital. That's an increase of 50 from the day before. The situation in our state mirrors what is going on around the country as COVID-19 cases continue to soar. More than 250,000 Americans have died after contracting the coronavirus, and now a top government health official believes that number could climb to 450,000 by February. And one of the biggest fears right now is that hospitals could be overwhelmed. The United States has just surpassed 100,000 COVID-19 hospitalizations. That's the highest since the pandemic began. And the head of the CDC says healthcare workers could face even bigger challenges in the weeks ahead.
I actually believe they're going to be the most difficult time in the public health history of this nation.
Roger Suzanne, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Well, the governor has been warning that December is going to be a really tough month. And as the surge continues, state health officials are preparing for how they will distribute a vaccine. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Caitlin Nuclo has more on those plans.
Later today, the governor will talk about plans for the vaccine. Much awaited news for many as the cases continue to surge in our state and across the country. Connecticut is set to receive 20,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine on December 14th and another 20,000 of the Moderna vaccine the following week. The governor says that as more doses become available in our state, he is hopeful more people in the general population will be able to get vaccinated in the spring. Last night, during an interview with the Connecticut Mirror, he said there is no question who should get it first.
We're going to make this at our press briefing tomorrow that healthcare professionals, doctors and nurses, frontline, we got to have you on the battlefield. Secondly, elderly, frail elderly, and those in nursing homes.
Caitlin Nuclo, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
The Connecticut Restaurant Association says hundreds of restaurants are hanging on by a thread this winter. More than 600 have had to shut down since the pandemic started, and they're worried that many more won't make it. The association started a Save Connecticut Restaurants campaign, which highlights the stories and the struggles of local owners.
We're facing a situation in this winter where, based on the last couple weeks alone, where we can already see the numbers dramatically changing, that we're possibly going to have to, most likely going to have to lay off more people.
A group of doctors and nurses is urging the governor to stop indoor dining. The governor says hospitalizations will be a benchmark for that kind of action.
All right, we start off clear and cold out there this morning. It's a beautiful start, but nonetheless, you need your jacket. Certainly that winter coat this morning as temperatures are in the upper 20s, low 30s, and they feel a little bit cooler with a little bit of a breeze out there. So take a look at the day ahead. Mostly sunny skies. Just going to be a beautiful day today. 3 p.m. you might see a cloud out there, but it's not a big deal. I mean, mostly sunny skies right across the board. Temperatures will top out in the low 50s along the shoreline as well. So the temperatures out there right now, 24 is the cool spot in Meriden, 37 the warm spot in New Haven. Everybody else is sandwiched in between. 28, typical overnight low for this time of morning. So we've got that for you at Bradley, 33 at Brainerd, 37 in New Haven. And we are talking about some temperature change from yesterday, anywhere from 9 degrees cooler at Meriden to 5 degrees cooler at Bradley, and it was cooler even than the day before. So we have really dropped in terms of overnight lows. 6 mile-an-hour winds at Bradley, 6 miles in Brainerd. The winds are not substantial, but it does make it feel a little bit cooler out there, so grab that coat. Today is great. Take a look. Satellite and radar confirms there's not a cloud in the sky. There will be some clouds maybe late this afternoon through tonight, and then we're talking about a stormy day on Saturday. Here's early warning futurecast. Tomorrow's weather today shows us an hour-by-hour depiction of not a lot going on during the day today. And then tonight, here come those clouds. They'll be mixing it up with clear skies, so it'll be partly cloudy. And by 6 a.m. tomorrow, it's mostly cloudy, and then there could be a spot shower during the day tomorrow with maybe some partial sunshine. And then here comes the rain, 7 p.m. on Friday. So it should be raining Friday night and Saturday. Now, this is one model, the GFS, Friday morning. All right, so it has the rain coming in around 4:30 Friday afternoon, and then it rains through Friday night into Saturday morning. Mostly rain, and then a little transition over to some sleet and some snow in parts of northwest Connecticut, and then a transition over to sleet and maybe some snow for everybody Saturday night into Sunday morning as the temperatures drop. Then it's all gone by Sunday morning. Now, this is the European model. Track a little bit further closer to Connecticut as opposed to the GFS. This is rain very early Saturday morning, very heavy rain Saturday morning, and then a mix of snow in parts of northwest Connecticut. That could be an accumulating snow Saturday night into Sunday morning, and it's gone by Sunday. All right, take a look at today's daytime highs. Mostly sunny. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s, if not 50 degrees today. Sun was up at 7:01, sets at 4:20. Overnight lows tonight drop into the low to mid 30s, increasing clouds. It's going to be a cold night tonight. And then your 7-day forecast, another 50-degree day tomorrow. That's pretty awesome with rain arriving late in the day. Saturday is messy. Anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain can be expected to fall, maybe some accumulating snow in the highest elevations of northern Connecticut. It all ends on Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon looks good. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also looking good, but it will be trending cooler with temperatures in the low 40s. All right, that's a check of your early warning forecast. I'm meteorologist Scot Haney at Channel 3, hoping you all have a great, safe, and healthy Thursday. Nicole, back to you.
All right, so I guess the moral of the story after hearing your newscast is enjoy the sunshine today. Case in point. Thank you so much for tuning in to Eyewitness News. Remember, you can get news and weather updates anytime on the Channel 3 app. Have a great day. Stay healthy, stay positive.